Hello, selamat datang. This is Professor Kang of Kwang University in Seoul, Korea. It's very nice to meet you. I'll be your professor during this semester, and I'll meet you once a week through this online lecture, and once a month offline face-to-face meeting at classroom. For the first offline meeting, I'll visit Binus International, Jakarta, upright on Friday, 25th of September this month. The class will begin at 1:30 p.m. Now, let me introduce this course. The title of the course is Multimedia Signal Processing. And from now on, we will call it MMSP for short. The first part of this lecture will be the course description for the next 12 sessions. And the second part will be an introduction of MMSP. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Multimedia Signal Processing course description. Let me introduce Multimedia Signal Processing. This course is designed to teach students the basic theories and applications on multimedia signal processing, including multimedia compression, communications, security, and recognition for human-computer interaction. The course covers current techniques for processing, storage, and delivery of media such as speech, audio, images, and videos. This requires an in-depth understanding of digital signal processing. The emphasis will be on the theoretical basis as well as efficient implementations by MATLAB and C or C++. The key components studied in details are digital filters, transforms, spectral analysis, FFT, source coding for data reduction, channel coding for bit error correction, motion detection and compensation algorithms for video compression, and multimedia networking and streaming. And this course is preceded by the combination of online student self-study and offline face-to-face classroom meeting, lecture for a blended learning. Here, the blended learning means mixed learning, online plus offline. Through this course, students will have a personal experience of meeting the specific applications on multimedia signal processing by creative multimedia projects. The creative means, this means of coming up with a new idea, okay? And next, let me introduce about learning outcomes. Upon successful completion of this course, students, you are expected to be able to understand the basic theory of digital signal processing in multimedia system. And second, you can understand the concept of multimedia systems, many products, for example, smartphone and smart home, etc. And you can understand and apply source coding, image coding, audio coding, video coding, or video compression techniques. And you can understand and apply network security and the channel coding techniques. And you can understand and apply multimedia networking and streaming for multimedia communications. And you can use appropriate types of media in multimedia project. And also, you can develop ideas of multimedia system, decide on system specifications, and propose a creative multimedia project. And I'd like to introduce a course structure. Throughout the semester, there is a 200 minutes lecture per week for this course. The lecturer facilitates learning by posting the lecture videos online to Binus Maya every week. And the multimedia theories and exercise problems will be provided online, and monthly tutorials will be processed at the offline classroom by topic presentation and group discussion and quiz tests online or offline every month. The lecture schedule and project topics are also announced on student bulletin to be discussed online. As this is a demanding course, the course requires full commitment and motivation to do an independent study outside the classroom. Students are expected to write their own lecture notes for response paper. This is response paper means a homework, assigned and upload them on the student bulletin as a weekly homework in order to confirm the student leading learning by online lectures and offline classroom. And a mid-semester examination is conducted to assess the students' understanding of the first half of the topics, while all the topics of MMSP, Multimedia Signal Processing, are evaluated by the final presentation of a small group project at the end of semester. And I'll show you assessment descriptions. The assessment means grading credit, okay? So I'd like to introduce assessment task 1, the quiz and our assignment. And 30% are assigned for the credit grading. And assignment questions will be posted on the student bulletins. Students are expected to write a response paper, the homework, every week and upload it on the bulletin. And short quizzes will be given online or offline once a month. And second assessment, task 2, is a midterm examination as a portion of 30%. Students will be tested in the classroom on the topics of sessions 2 through 6. So all lectures will be posted to Binus Maya online every week. And the assessment test 3 is a final project presentation. And the project presentation as a portion of 40% for your grading credit. For a final project, students are expected to work in a group, small group, propose one topic for the final project. You have to design, develop a creative multimedia project while applying the knowledge you learned for the whole semester. And I'd like to introduce text and other resources. So I have decided to choose a text, the multimedia signal processing, the theory, applications, and speech, music, and the communications. And this textbook is on focus of basic theories of digital signal processing. And second text is multimedia signal coding and transmission, especially signals and communication technologies. And this book has been published lately, 2015. And third text is other resource. The book is the image and video compression, the fundamentals, techniques, and applications. And I have recommended 12 resources as references in the syllabus. Okay, I'd like to introduce you some interesting topic. So integration of multimedia areas. This picture shows an integration of different multimedia areas. Here, the center represents a multimedia crossroad. And so you can see that these four areas can be joined through multimedia crossroad in the center. This means that one area can be transferred to other area through multimedia crossroad. For example, television programs and movies can be transferred to broadcasting and telecommunication areas as multimedia contents. Especially here, the computing means multimedia signal processing. So networking means multimedia communication. And the computing and the networking are the basic fundamentals of other multimedia areas. Okay? And now, I will show you the session and topics. The first session topic is introduction. So now I'm going to introduce first the topic at this online lecture. And the topic is perspectives of digital signal processing for multimedia systems and applications, focused on signal processing theories for multimedia systems and applications. And second session topics are smart home and smart car. Here, human-computer interaction means human to machine interface, and the speech gesture recognition. These theories are basic theories applied to smart home and smart car. And the third session topic is a smartphone and smart TV. Here, digital filtering, especially noise cancelling and audio-video compression theories are the basic fundamental applied to smartphone and smart TV. And session 4. First session topic is image processing and the graphic files. Here, JPEG and GIF compression are used for image processing, as you know, and the graphic files are used for two-dimensional and three-dimensional graphics. And fifth session topic is computer graphics and animations. You know, so computer graphics are pictures and movies created using computers. And animation is the illusion of motion pictures, just like a cartoon movie, you know. So authoring tools are used for computer graphics and animations. Especially, Cinderella movie will be shown to you as animation applications. The sixth session topic is a multimedia music system. Especially, I'd like to introduce MIDI, musical instrument digital interface. And this area, so music signal processing, is the basic fundamental for multimedia music system. Especially, I will show you the case study of multimedia Korean instruments. The title is Wondering, as a motor song in Korea and KBS Broadcasting. The singer is Song So-hee. She is a student of high school. And the next time, I'll introduce these multimedia Korean instruments in video clip. Okay? And session 7. Seventh session topic as a midterm examination and project planning for final presentations. And on coming October, I have a plan to test midterm exam and project planning for each group. And the 8th session topic is HDD TV and video games. HDTV means high definition TV. Here, motion estimation for coding and the video coding standards, the MPEG, Motion Picture Expert Group. These basic theories are used for high definition TV and interactive video games. And the 9th session topic is mobile multimedia networking. Here, USN, Universal Sensor Network, and RFID, radio frequency identification, are used for ubiquitous networks, and especially live streaming and overlay multicasting. Overlay means multi-source. Multi-source multicasting are used for mobile multimedia networking. And next, I'll show you 10th session topic is multimedia education. So multimedia education use interactive e-learning system. E-learning, so we can teach and learn by internet remotely. Okay? And the multimedia networking is used for multimedia education. Nowadays, recently, IoT means Internet of Things. This Internet of Things are based on infra of Internet for multimedia education and multimedia healthcare, etc. So next time we'll study IoT in detail, okay? And the 11th session topic is multimedia healthcare. For multimedia healthcare, interactive biometric systems are necessary for healthcare. Here, biometrics is a remote sensing for measuring patients' biostate. And for multimedia healthcare, multimedia networking, especially machine-to-machine networking, are necessary for transmission biodata. Okay? And 12th session topic is network security and the channel coding. Here, these days, there is some problems of network security. So we have to get in watermark in the data and authentications. Especially channel coding means is special coding to protect multimedia data or correct bit errors. So we have to add extra bits for channel coding. And the detailed explanations we'll study on next time, okay? Okay, now I'd like to introduce the topic, perspectives of digital signal processing for multimedia systems and applications. There are 3 categories. First one is what is multimedia? And second, what is multimedia signal processing, MMSP? And third is applications of multimedia signal processing. Okay? And the first topic, so what is multimedia? So multimedia means, multi means many. Media means a communication tool. So multimedia means so many media for communication. So multimedia is a kind of communication tool, okay? And so media means a medium of communications. So we, human, communicate naturally by seeing image or video, by speaking, by speech, and by motioning gestures, and by hearing audio and music. And all actions, this means multimedia, mentioned above, are made interactively in two-way directions. So, human is a perfect multimedia system. And also, we human communicate by technology, by multiple media such as radio, mobile phone, television, press, and cinema, books. But they are not multimedia because they have no interaction. Now, I'd like to introduce the elements of a multimedia system, and this picture shows the elements of multimedia system. In this picture, the 5 elements, audio, video, animation, text, and the graphics are necessary for multimedia signal processing and communications. And the 5 elements have to be combined to process and communications. Especially interactivity. Interactivity is an essential part in order to function as a true multimedia system. Without interactivity, we cannot call any system a multimedia system. And I have a question. Try to answer this question. Is television a multimedia or not? Remember the 6 basic elements of multimedia? Just the preceding pictures. So how about the classical TV? How about the conventional TV? And how about the modern smart TV? The classical TV has only one-way broadcasting. There is no interactivity. So, in strict sense, classical TV is not multimedia. But the smart TV has a function of internet surfing, down or uploading is possible. So, smart TV can be a perfect multimedia system. Likewise, smartphone and also is a true multimedia systems. Okay. And next, I'll show you the definition of multimedia by video clips. When you're watching the video clip, compare the following video clips with your idea about multimedia.
Hi friends, this is Nivas from newwaindia.in. Welcome to Multimedia Basics series. In this series, we are going to learn what is multimedia, all the different basics of multimedia, something like that. Okay? In this series, I'm going to explain all the different videos like this, which are listed here. These are the videos we are going to see in this 6 video series, Multimedia Basics. First video explains what is multimedia, where multimedia is used in real life, fundamental components of multimedia, different specializations in multimedia, all those things. In video 2, what is graphic designing, print media, digital publishing. Video 3, audio editing. Video 4, animation, computer graph.